absolutely compelled to do what I do. I love making photographs. I think about it all the time. Interiors photography to me is, and architectural photography overall, is strangely compelling. It seems to scratch some kind of itch that I have. I love the idea of documenting spaces. I love the shapes, the geometry. I love the light that you get with interiors. Everything about it is just deeply fulfilling for me. The best of all is when I can work with a client and somebody who's got the same energy and interest and stamina as I do, to kind of hang in there with a photograph and just working on it and working on it and working on it until we get it absolutely right. There's a point where the magic starts to happen, and things feel really good. And man, the images are amazing at that point. That's the kind of thing that keeps me up at night, and prevents me from getting a good night's sleep when the work is going that well. I like doing things that confound people's expectations in photographs whenever possible. I like to try and photograph things in ways people haven't seen before. And the whole process of figuring that out is really fun for me.